OpenClaw just became the fastest growing open source AI project ever. And after testing every major feature, I can tell you exactly why. This isn't just another AI chatbot. This is a full autonomous agent that runs on your machine and works through the apps you already use. Today, I'm walking you through everything it can actually do. Every feature, every integration, every capability. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether this tool fits your workflow. Let's dive in. Before we get into features, you need to understand how OpenClaw works. It runs locally on your computer inside a Docker container. Your data stays on your machine. It connects to an AI model, originally Claude, but now it's model-agnostic, so you can use GPT-4, Gemini, or others. Then it bridges to your messaging apps, WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, Slack, or iMessage. You talk to it like you text a friend, and it executes tasks autonomously. That's the foundation. Now let's look at what you can build on top of it. The killer feature is the messaging integration. You send a message in WhatsApp saying, "Summarize my last 10 emails and flag anything urgent," and OpenClaw reads your inbox, processes every email, and sends you a clean summary right in your chat. No switching apps, no opening a browser. It works on Telegram, Discord, Slack, and Microsoft Teams the same way. You can even set up proactive reminders. Type, "Remind me in 5 minutes to check the deployment," and it schedules it through its built-in Cron system. ClawHub is OpenClaw's skill marketplace. Think of it as an app store for your AI agent. Each skill is a JavaScript module with a manifest file, and you install them with one command. There are skills for browser automation, Gmail management, calendar syncing, file organization, code review, web scraping, and much more. Skills auto-update when you restart OpenClaw, so you're always on the latest version. As of right now, ClawHub has over 3,000 skills, though I should note the team recently cleaned up a batch of malicious uploads, so the marketplace is being actively moderated now. This is where OpenClaw separates itself from every chatbot. It doesn't just respond, it thinks ahead. The persistent memory system means it remembers your preferences, your past requests, and your patterns across sessions. If you always ask for an email summary at 9 a.m., it starts doing it automatically. If it sees a bug report come in, it can analyze the issue, identify the fix, and submit a pull request without you asking. Peter Steinberger famously demonstrated this on vacation in Morocco. Someone posted a bug screenshot on Twitter, he forwarded it to his OpenClaw agent, and the agent fixed and submitted the patch while Steinberger went back to sightseeing. OpenClaw has sandboxed code execution built in. You can ask it to write a Python script, run it, check the output, and iterate all through your chat app. It can also manage your local files, organize folders, rename batches of files, convert formats, extract data from PDFs, and create reports. Combined with the browser automation skill, you can have it research a topic, compile the findings into a document, and save it to your preferred folder, all from a single message. Since the January 2026 update, OpenClaw is fully model agnostic. You can swap between Claude, GPT-4, Gemini, or any compatible model depending on what you need. Need creative writing? Route to Claude? Need code generation? Route to GPT-4? Need fast responses for simple tasks? Use a smaller model to save costs. This flexibility means you're never locked into one provider, and you can optimize for both quality and cost. Now, it's not perfect. Setup still requires Docker and some terminal comfort. The security model has improved, but still needs hardening for anyone running it on a shared network. There's no mobile app. Everything runs from your desktop. And the skill quality on ClawHub varies wildly, so you need to vet what you install. But overall, OpenClaw is the most capable open source AI agent available right now. It's free, it's local, it's extensible, and it's backed by a growing foundation.